Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you 5 AI apps to make money online from your phone. So first is your One Day AI. So One Day AI will make you your stickers and that you can sell for red bubbles. Okay. So One Day AI. Just click on One Day AI. It's on this print on demand. You can see you can just create a stunning portrait. Okay. So here, let's go to red red bubble. So here you can see in Redbubble you can just uh, print on demand. So here you can just sell your art that you have made from your Hyundai AI. Okay, so this is the first and the second method. The second app will be click and shot. So let's go to here, click and shot. So click and shot is a AI tool which helps make the YouTube shorts or reels in a one click. So you can just get the free trial and use it, and you can just use for every time. So if you go to free trial, so it's under maintenance, but we can just see the price. So from here you can see the price. If you pay like a $29 a month, so you get 25 shorts. It means you upload a per day one short. It means like you have 25 shorts and it will be in high quality and the auto caption will be on. So this is the second. And the third is Pixel Cut AI. So Pixel Cut AI removes the background using your AI, and as you know, in Fiverr, it's put the Pixel Cut AI. So here we can just see, and we can just go to your dashboard. So let's buying. So here we can just search as background removal. So this is Pixel Cut. So it's remove your product background, your video background. You can see here you can just do like this. So you can just make for our mobile also. So create product photo 10x faster with this AI. So we can just try it. So as you can see here, for removing the background, they are just taking a $5. You can like change the currency and see. Here you can see was they're taking $5, $30 for 25 photos. It is very easy. They are just uploading here in the AI apps, and they are doing okay. So we can just log in here at Pixel Cut. uh, Start with photo. So here we need for the photo for the product. So for example, I'm uploading photo. So let's upload this photo. So here we can see it's changing the background. So as you can see, these are the photos. We just download all. If you want to generate a beach type of photo or a wood type, so you can generate from here. From wood. If you want to make a photo like of ocean or sidewalk, garden, you want to make a garden photo, and just you can edit here, and you can just make a seller account in a Fiverr and you can sell this photos. So the second last is your phone size. Phone size is basically made for your mobile phone. If you don't know how to make a website, you can just go here and you can just make the website using a phone size. So here you can see we have the phone size. So phone size is a website that give you a 14 days trial. In 14 days you can just make the product and you can sell. They have 500 plus templates and 100 plus integrations you can all see here. And the last one is our, so when you will make the site, you can just sell on the Fiverr. So the last is the business onlinebusinessacademy.com. It's actually affiliate marketing or a type of online courses you can sell to your friends, family, relative, or anyone. You can just make an Instagram account and you can just earn from there. Online business academy. So we can just go to here, online business academy. So here we can see they have their access of onlinebusinessacademy.com. Here they have all the brand. So we can just go to at the last and we can just see their affiliate program. So in the affiliate program, we can just apply their affiliate program by clicking here. We can just enter a full email, name, and email, and every purchase will get a 20% of the commission. So you can just create, you can just let's do, as you can see, like if you're selling here as 31 affiliates, the total revenue is like it's what like a $1 million or $1 million. So this is how you can just make money using this 5 AI apps on your mobile phone. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.